5 AI tools to make money. Buckle up because we're embarking on a thrilling journey through the realm of artificial intelligence. Have you ever wondered how you could turn AI tools into money-making machines? Well, get ready for an exciting roller coaster ride as we unveil the top 5 AI tools that are set to redefine profitability. Stick around till the end, and we promise you a treasure trove of insights and ideas to fuel your AI-driven success, plus a sprinkle of fun applications that will absolutely blow your mind. So are you ready to dive into the world of money-generating AI tools? Let's get started. Number 1. OpenAI's GPT-4. Let's start with the phenomenal OpenAI's GPT-4. This AI is an advanced language model which can generate human-like text. As a business owner, imagine harnessing this power to create engaging content, write persuasive marketing emails, or even script your YouTube videos. GPT-4 isn't just an AI tool, it's your virtual copywriter working tirelessly to help your business attract more eyeballs. You can build a service around this AI and make money by offering content generation services. On the fun side, GPT-4 can also create catchy slogans, engaging social media captions, or even write out an entire blog post with a dash of creativity and humor, making your content stand out. Not to mention, it has the ability to write code, answer questions in a customer support scenario, or even tutor in various subjects. Offering these services can result in a consistent income stream, all thanks to this extraordinary AI tool. While we've touched on some fantastic uses of GPT-4, did you know that it can also streamline your recruitment process? Imagine using this AI tool to create and review resumes, even to conduct first-round interviews through a text-based interface. It can screen candidates based on a preset criterion, helping you select the best talent without spending endless hours reviewing applications. Plus, it's equally exciting for the candidates who get to experience a novel, tech-driven recruitment process. Number 2. Amazon AWS SageMaker. Switching gears, let's talk about Amazon AWS SageMaker, a fully managed service that enables developers and data scientists to quickly build, train, and deploy machine learning models. SageMaker provides all the components needed to create machine learning models in a single toolset. This means that if you have a knack for data science, you can start creating machine learning models to predict customer behaviors, forecast sales, or optimize ad spending. On a lighter note, SageMaker can also be used to create unique, fun projects. For instance, you can develop a recommendation system for a book club, movie database, or music streaming site, providing personalized suggestions for users. You could monetize this as a service, creating a fun and engaging way for users to discover new books, movies, or music, thereby enhancing their experience while also making you money. With SageMaker, not only can you build machine learning models, but you can also manage them. It comes with Model Monitor, which checks your machine learning models for concept drift. Now imagine offering businesses a service that not only builds predictive models, but also monitors them for accuracy over time. It's a unique selling proposition that could set you apart in the AI industry. Plus, it's fascinating to see how machine learning models evolve and need recalibration, almost like nurturing a digital life form. Number 3. Google's DeepMind. Our third AI tool is Google's DeepMind. This AI platform uses machine learning and systems neuroscience to build powerful general-purpose learning algorithms. You can use DeepMind's AI in business scenarios to analyze data, predict market trends, and make intelligent business decisions. With DeepMind, you're not just making money, you're staying ahead of the competition by making data-driven decisions. In terms of fun, DeepMind's AI can be used to develop highly immersive and adaptive video games. Imagine a game that learns and adapts to your playing style, making the experience more engaging and dynamic. It's a fantastic opportunity for game developers to create something unique and monetize it. DeepMind has been making waves in healthcare too, especially with its ability to analyze and interpret medical scans. It can help radiologists detect diseases early and accurately, potentially saving lives. Now imagine creating an AI startup that collaborates with healthcare providers, integrating DeepMind to improve diagnostic accuracy. It's not just a profitable idea, but also a noble cause that brings the benefits of AI to healthcare. Number 4. TensorFlow. Next up is TensorFlow, another creation by Google. It's an open-source machine learning framework that's used for high-performance numerical computation. Businesses can use TensorFlow to develop machine learning models that predict customer behavior, optimize delivery routes, and automate inventory management, and so much more. Implementing such smart solutions can lead to higher profitability. On a lighter note, TensorFlow has been used in creating fascinating AI-powered art. Artists can leverage this tool to create and sell unique AI-generated art pieces. Picture an artwork that's ever-evolving, ever-changing. Possibilities are endless, and so are the opportunities to make money. TensorFlow's capabilities extend to voice and sound recognition, making it an excellent tool for creating voice assistant applications. Developers can create custom voice assistants tailored to specific business needs, enhancing customer experience and interaction. It's thrilling to see how AI can make technology more accessible and natural to use. Plus, a unique voice assistant service can certainly put you on the map in the digital marketplace. Number 5. DataRobot. Last but not least, we have DataRobot, an automated machine learning platform. It helps businesses build and deploy machine learning models quickly and efficiently. Imagine automating your sales forecast or predicting market trends with DataRobot. With such precise predictions, you can optimize your operations and maximize your profits. But hey, DataRobot isn't all work and no play. Let's say you're into sports betting or fantasy leagues. You could use DataRobot to analyze player performance data and predict outcomes, giving you a leg up in your games. You get to enjoy your hobby and possibly make some money on the side. DataRobot's capabilities can also be extended to the finance industry, specifically to credit scoring. With machine learning, you can predict the likelihood of customers defaulting on their loans. This could be a highly valuable service for banks and credit institutions. Plus, there's a strange sense of thrill in being able to predict financial behavior, almost like peering into a crystal ball, but with data and algorithms instead of magic. So there you have it, folks. 5 amazing AI tools that you can leverage to make money. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, a game developer, or just a tech enthusiast. Remember, as we move forward into this AI-driven future, it's those who can harness these tools that will thrive in the new digital economy. Happy experimenting!